baby.
Thank you.
You know what's even more amazing?
It's like LSD. Oh, baby.
Like that, wouldn't you?
You are sick for 19 hours.
Harrington Manors College, buddy. The water down there.
I didn't. Well, maybe I didn't go to Mexico. Oh, my beautiful little finger? I heard that one before.
That was so...
What did you say? 2 pounds of pot? Will you please tell me that we did not go...
Hey, come on, okay? How much? That much?
This much. Look out! Just hit her!
What the fuck?
Hello? Cam, stop the video.
I want to go home.
It's okay. Okay, we can take you home. What's your name? Baby, let's find a hospital, okay?
Jesus Christ.
Go back there. He's really bad. I'm okay, I'm okay.
Yeah, most people never do.
She needed it, and why did she have to pick us?
Wanting you just happened to come across because of play. Nope. Lasagna, kind of. And that's hitch up. Dude, gas station.
It just feels so disgusting.
I just want to...
Ain't no sheriff.
Emperor, no. Well, how would you like it if we just...
I just need one more.
Well, it matters to me. Piece of trash.
You see our Lone Ranger anywhere? God, I just saw something moving there.
You would just... Okay.
Damn it! Indigenous to the...
We didn't do anything to her.
Oh my god.
Hey, bud.
Jedediah.
Let's split.
Does he live around here?
Road don't go there.
Is anybody home?
What do you want?
Are you the sheriff? Thanks, we'd really appreciate it.
Like to keep a clean house.
I'm all set.
Could you just...
Okay, you can just relax because you're not helping. Kemper? Kemper?
I don't know.
Thanks. Kemp! Kemper! Okay, good news. Sheriff's on his way. Where's Kemper? Kemper! Kemp!
What was that all about?
Oh. What the hell is that? That's her? Is that her family?
Well, let's find Kemper and get the hell out.
Well, who put you in charge?
Jeez.
I don't even think about it. But I happen to like my teeth right where they are. Well,
Wonderful. All right, keep him busy.
wow, what? Andy?
Yeah?
Mouth.
This guy's crazy. Bring what?
Deep breath.
It's some guy. Oh my god.
Whoa.
It's my friend.
It's not our van.
Get on the ground!
You've gotta help him. There's a fucking guy with a fucking guy with a.
Get over the butler, thing.
Orion, what's going on?
I want to tell you different.
What the hell are you doing? Please, just please put the Morgan. Morgan, please.
You
Don't fucking do it.
here.
Where are you taking him? Pepper. And Juvie. They call me. Turn that thing off! Oh, he'll kill you! He's gonna kill you!
That he's no harm. He was just a little boy when. Here,
Need more tea, I just need a phone!
it'll help you relax.
That's not. You stole her!
Rooms. Nothing but.
Please! I was proud! No, please! No! Please!
You can't. Finish it.
I can't. just want to go. No. Go back there!
Stop it!
No! Please don't stop!
I don't know what you're...
Come on. Come on, you bitch, start.
Is the Hewitt residence.